Welcome back to Startup Street. Well, we have a new unicorn. Real estate platform NoBroker.com has raised $210 million in funding in its latest round. And with this funding, NoBroker has turned into a unicorn. The round was led by General Atlantic, Tiger Global Management, and More Strategic Ventures. We have with us Amit Agarwal, co-founder and CEO of NoBroker.com. And with me is my colleague Arundhati. Amit, congratulations on the unicorn status. And you've seen this big round of funding and a unicorn status. Just as the real estate market itself is showing a strong upward trend, we understand you're seeing 100% year-on-year growth in transactions in the property buying segment and a 40% increase in the rental activity from last quarter. How will this funding help you in boosting your resale and primary sale verticals as well as the rental business?
As we are leaving COVID behind and hopefully the third wave would not come, we are seeing a good jump in terms of the rental demand. Buy and sell has been anyway very buoyant in the past 1 year because post the GST demonetization, I think buy and sell prices basically hit a rock bottom sometime last year. So we are seeing a very strong demand there. Overall, we are not NoBroker. Basically, for people who do not know, connects owners, tenants, buyers, sellers directly with each other without any broker in between. So we remove brokerage and we make the life of customer easier and the transaction much cheaper. The objective of this fundraise would be to grow in real estate, to deepen our presence in the cities that we are already in, add more cities, and be stronger in the home service and financial services that we are present in.
Hi, Amit. Arundhati here. So you want to expand further, but I also wanted to understand, do you see that this upcycle in realty continuing? Anarock research indicates that we may see at least 10 to 15% growth in housing demand in the ongoing festive period, that's from October to December, across the top 7 cities against the preceding quarter. What are the trends that you're seeing during this festive quarter?
So we are seeing very robust demand, a very high increase in terms of number of inquiries and number of closures. And this is happening across the primary channel, which is basically builder-led, and also resale. So NoBroker is very strong in terms of the resale properties. And right now, this first set of wave, which is basically buy and see and buy and sell, is driven by end users, people who are going to live in those houses, which is a very good sign. Typically, after this wave, the second wave is of investors who start seeing opportunity and then who start seeing basically buying and flipping it in the next quarter or a year or so. But this particular demand is based on very strong, genuine customer demand who want to use the property for themselves.
Okay. So strong customer demand then, and it'll be a healthy festive quarter. Coming to your other business verticals, you've said that one of the key uses of the fundraise will be to invest in NoBrokerhood, which is your community app and marketplace. You're currently at around 10,000 housing societies. What is the kind of growth that you're targeting?
NoBrokerhood is something in which we are going to focus hugely. It's a community app which focuses just 3 portions: visitor management, a financial module which helps clear the maintenance payment for the gated community, and third is a marketplace that we have built, but through which you can post with 1 click, you can post property on NoBroker and use home services. Our objective is to grow very aggressively. We are targeting to sign 1 lakh gated communities in the next 2 years.
So 1 lakh gated communities in the next 2 years. But you also have a payment vertical, as you just mentioned, called NoBroker Pay. What's the growth you're seeing on that front?
So NoBroker Pay grows very handsomely every year. What we are going to add in the financial services is home loan. So we are closing 5 lakh transactions, both rental and sale combined. In terms of buy and sell, we are closing around half a lakh transactions per year, which basically means a huge demand for home loan. And we have signed up with all the leading banks and NBFCs so that we can basically help the customer connect with the right lender. So home loan and insurance are another 2 verticals which we are going to be very aggressive in within financial services.
Okay, so you're adding home loan and insurance services. You know, earlier you talked about expanding to more cities. In fact, one of your investors, General Atlantic, has said that in the future, NoBroker's product stack will also find relevance in several under-regulated developing markets around the world. So what are your global expansion plans looking like?
So our focus right now for the next few years is India, because India offers huge opportunity, and still we would say lakhs and crores of customers end up paying huge amount of brokerage. But you are right. We think that Southeast Asia, Middle East, these countries where the broker is charging a huge amount of money and brokerage, and where the entry barrier is low and customer experience is poor, these are the areas, these are the countries that we want to push for. So perhaps 3 years from today, these are the two pieces of the global puzzle that we would try to solve.
All right, but the key focus remaining on India. You've also been adding several home services. What's your plan for this part of the business? What is the growth that you're already seeing, if you could quickly tell us?
So we are seeing a growth of 5x every year in home services, be it painting, be it cleaning, be it packers and movers, be it home interiors. For all of these services, what we are seeing is that most of these verticals are extremely disorganized, with fragmented, with small players, and only couple of branded players. And we at NoBroker, we are at the right moment of truth, because we are adding 60 lakh, 0.6 crore new customers per year. Our cumulative customer base is 1.6 crore. And when these customers are coming on real estate website, they want to use the services. They want to shift their home. They want to use packer mover. They want to use painting, cleaning, home interiors. And the objective is to basically increase our attach rate and be very, very aggressive in these services. Help customer get a very good quote, good price, and a superlative customer service.
Absolutely. So currently seeing 5 times growth. Thank you so much, Amit. We're completely out of time on this show. But also congratulations once again on joining that unicorn club. But with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Startup Street. More news and updates coming up on the other side. Stay tuned.